The 2025 Toyota RAV4 has set new benchmarks in the compact SUV segment, merging cutting-edge technology with a rugged yet sophisticated design. At first glance, the exterior of the 2025 RAV4 epitomizes a blend of style and utility. It features sharp contour lines, a bold front grille, and LED headlights that give it an assertive stance, while the chassis is complemented by aerodynamic elements that enhance both performance and fuel efficiency. The vehicle is available in a range of vibrant colors, including the newly introduced electric blue and lunar rock. On the performance front, the 2025 RAV4 does not disappoint. It comes with a choice of powertrains, including a 2.5-liter dynamic force 4-cylinder engine and a highly efficient hybrid variant with an estimated 40 miles per gallon combined. The RAV4 also introduces an advanced all-wheel drive system with dynamic torque vectoring, ensuring excellent handling and stability across various terrains. Inside the cabin, the 2025 RAV4 offers an elevated experience with premium materials and cutting-edge features. The interior boasts a spacious layout with ergonomic seating and ample cargo space. The latest infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, integrated with a 10-inch touchscreen display. The vehicle also features a host of driver assistance technologies, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. Safety is further enhanced with Toyota's signature Safety Sense 3.0, which includes pre-collision detection and pedestrian detection. In summary, the 2025 Toyota RAV4 is a versatile high-performance compact SUV designed to meet the demands of modern drivers, blending comfort, safety, and advanced technologies seamlessly into one package.